And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 109. Let us once again, the final time, talk about the blending options, because we can also use textures. Let me size that even further down. And it doesn't matter what color we've got, but let me make that somewhat reddish. Now right click on my text layer, use the blending options, and we'll get back to bevel and emboss. And here you can find two more things, the contour, so we can adjust yet again our curve. And let's keep it to linear, and then the texture below. And this texture simply uses the inbuilt patterns. So we'll find our trees and water again, and the ones that we've installed in earlier tutorials. If you haven't seen them, check out my Photoshop playlist. And you can see it tries to blend them with the color that's added to text, and there's also a little bit of a blur effect, and that's determined by the two sliders below. Let me just pick this one, and now you find scale and depth, and with the scale you make it bigger or smaller, so this pattern is then used as a texture, and the depth, it adds the blurriness or takes it away, makes it sharper. And you can see that right here in the preview window on the right hand side. And that will be the texture that we can add. Before we move on from the blending modes, you may have wondered what's this here at the bottom. Well, we can delete or add effects right here. So if you, for example, have deleted the drop shadow and it's not visible anymore, click on the FX, and then you can add it with a left click. So if you've added multiple drop shadows here, just select one, delete it, the trash icon, and you can always bring them back if you've deleted too many. You can reset it to the default list, and then all of these effects will be visible. There's also a show all effects button, and you can delete the hidden effects. So right now all of them are hidden, we haven't added anything to our text, and this would delete all of them. We go back to show all effects, and we've got them back. So as I've said, that's the final tutorial about blending options. We're gonna move on to a bigger topic in the next tutorial. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.